nose feels funny.
Yuck! Dodo, that was gross! I don't feel so good.
Oh no! The germ levels are rising rapidly at the park! Dobie, we have a sneeze alert! The germs are spreading fast! We're on our way to save the day! Stand back, everyone! The forest police are here! Aha! Just as I thought! The air is full of germ soldiers! Little Dodo, the trail of germs leads straight back to you! You didn't cover your mouth, and you've infected all your friends!
I can't stop it!
Dobie, stop him! If he sneezes near the ice cream, the whole town will get sick! Officer Dobie is on the move! Catch this!
Achoo!
Sneeze contained! Mission accomplished! Good job, Dobie! Dodo, you must always use a tissue. If you don't have a tissue, sneeze into your elbow like this. Drink up, everyone! This will help you get stronger! Time to clear out these germ soldiers for good!
I'm sorry I made you sick, Pipi. I'll be a germ fighter from now on. Thank you, Dodo. Let's stay healthy together.
Kids, germs are invisible, but they can travel very fast.
Always cover your mouth when you sneeze to protect your friends.
If no tissue is near, the elbow is your shield.
Stay safe and stay healthy. I did it! No germs escaped.
Sheriff Labrador, patrolling the town. It all started with one little tickle.
Oh no! My face is all wet!
These germs are tougher than they look. Practice makes perfect for the forest police.
This tissue thing is hard.
You've earned this, Dodo. Keep up the good habits. Choose the right way to stay safe. Out of the way!
Mission failed! We've been trapped! Scrub, scrub, scrub away the germs.
The park is finally safe again. Don't hold it in, Dobie. Just use a tissue. A healthy town is a happy town.
And that, everyone, is the elbow shield.
This ice cream is even better because it's germ-free.
Bye-bye. See you next time.
Ready for the next health mission.
Always cover your nose and mouth.
Sheriff Labrador's Safety Adventures.
See you soon.